Hey, what's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at this Hideout fifth wheel. This is the 301 DBS model. It comes in weighing at 8,699 pounds with a tip-to-tip length of 34 feet 2 inches. I'm in love with this floor plan just because of how light and bright it is. The ceilings are super tall, and if I ever thought about getting a fifth wheel, I definitely would consider this floor plan. So let's go ahead and give you an outside tour first. Of course, you got your pin box here at the front with the patented hitch vision, so you can line up your tow vehicle with your hitch. Some accent lights on your front cap as well. And then just underneath that is a spot for your battery, and you have some additional storage. You are prepped for Furrion side marker cameras if you want them, so all you have to do is just purchase the camera part, pop it in there, and then you can view the sides of your camper while you're taking it down the road or even putting it in your parking spot. 2 propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other, and some pass-through storage. Power here on the outside, so you can plug some small appliances in there. Access to your water heater, freshwater connection, Bluetooth capable outside speakers, and a huge power awning to relax underneath. And then you also have a rear entrance into this coach, oversized grab handle with these solid steps. And then moving along, you also have an outside kitchen with a mini fridge. You can put kids' juice boxes in there, adult beverages, some fruit, snacks, anything that you want. Open storage for utensils and plates and whatnot, and then a couple burners. This does have front and rear power stabilizer jacks, as well as a spare tire, outside shower, and a rear ladder to climb up and keep up on that roof and slide out maintenance. You are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. And then coming over here, city water connection, 1 slide out, and I think that covers everything. So let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. All right, so immediately when we come in to my left of the front entrance, you have a couple bunks, and when I say the ceilings are tall, like look how much headspace you have with your top bunk. So if you're a full-size adult, your friends are coming to stay with you, your kids, your adult kids, they do not have to worry about hitting their head when they wake up in the morning. There's just a lot of extra space, and you're not feeling super claustrophobic. Each one has a window for a nice view, plus power outlets to charge electronics, and these are considered double over double bunks, so a couple people could sleep per bunk depending on size. Built-in ladder as well. Love the white and then all of the darker tones all throughout, and you'll see that in the rest of the camper. And then coming in here, we have our bathroom. Nice stand-up shower there at the back. You have some built-in shelves for your shampoo. And then above is a vent fan, but you can also use this to let some natural light in if it's a little bit dark. Of course, your shower rod and curtain, porcelain foot flush toilet. And then we got our sink, storage below, power, and your medicine cabinet. Your convenience center or control panel is right next to your door, so that's where you can access your awnings, slide outs, interior lights, pretty much everything. And then coming into the rest of our camper where you entertain and just have pretty much all the action going on. To my left is your sleeper sofa, so this will hold a couple more people for sleeping spots, built-in cup holders, and it's pretty comfortable too. This whole slide out is covered with windows for some natural light coming in. And then across from there, you have a perfect view of your entertainment center. Storage cabinets are down below and kind of some open shelving up above. Your Furrion Bluetooth speaker system to access the inside and outside speakers are right there. Huge swivel TV, a couple cabinets up above, and you also have some open storage space, and you even see that above your kitchen cabinets. So you can have some extra storage go up there or some decorations. Plus, just behind it is a hidden pantry, so you have even more space to put your canned goods, cleaning supplies, toys, dog food, pretty much anything that you want. And then just next to that is your stainless steel refrigerator. It's a good size. Cabinet up above too, which I cannot reach or else I would show you. Microwave stainless steel, range hood. You also have your 3-burner stove top with this glass cover. You can fold it up like so, and it kind of doubles as a backsplash. So if you are cooking something that kind of splatters, you can just wipe it off pretty easily and not have to stain your back wall. And then there's your oven. Storage is all down below. Stainless steel farmhouse sink with a spray nozzle, and you even got a window so you can have a nice view while you are cooking. More cabinet storage up above. I like the different height levels. Kind of just adds something different when you're looking at it. You have the smaller cabinets and then the really large ones with the glass on it. More countertop space over here for food prep. Power so you can plug some small appliances in there. And then our price comes out to be $41,995. Every single Hideout has this feature. So you have the built-in road vac system. So this comes with about a 30-foot nozzle, and then you're able to vacuum up every square inch of this camper. So if you happen to forget your vacuum or your broom, you're in luck because this one has one already built in there. So it's one less thing that you have to worry about. You also have a skylight above in your kitchen space, so it just feels a lot brighter in here with your super tall ceilings. And then across from your kitchen, you have your U-shaped dinette. It's pretty large, so you have to fit all the people that you can in here, so there's a lot of room for everybody. This table is removable, so you can take this outside if you want, set it by the fire, have a card game going, family dinner, things like that. Or you can just leave it in here. It does fold down to help you set up that sleeping space. This also will fold down for a sleeping spot for a couple more people. And then coming up into our master bedroom, the ceilings are still tall in here and it's nice and bright. Queen size bed with additional storage underneath. Love that headboard too. You also have power there on the back for small appliances or a sleep out machine. And you have a huge window with a curtain to cover that light too. Closet lockers are on each side for your clothes. You also have this kind of additional cubby storage and an extra drawer. And then across from your bed, you actually have a spot for a TV, so you can hang one up if you would like. More closet storage, and it actually goes back pretty far. And rather than traveling all the way to the front, or I guess the back of the camper to use the restroom, you have your own half bath here in the master bedroom. So it's pretty awesome. Porcelain foot flush toilet, sink, storage below and above in your medicine cabinet. So overall, I just think this camper is nice and bright and light, and you have super tall ceilings. It's great for big families, lots of storage space. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let us know and we'll be happy to help.